Special financing and
Okay,
low monthly payment options are available. And if you call now, you will also receive a free 5-year warranty valued at over $500. Call or go online now to request your free quote.
Consumer Cellular is lowering the price for those 50 and up. Get an unlimited line for just $35 a month. So switch to the carrier ranked #1 in network coverage satisfaction. Now new customers get your second month free when you switch.
Yes.
Good, TDS.
Good, man. Yes. Good. Yes. 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 Hurry. Yes. 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 Good, man. Good. Good. Hurry. Good, man. Excellent. Sit. Sit. Super.
Your brain health matters.
Excellent. Down.
And when
Super.
things really matter, you take care of
Yes,
it.
sir. Okay.
Are
Sit.
you doing the same for your brain?
Excellent. Okay.
Being proactive about brain health
Good
may help
man.
reduce the risk of dementia from conditions like
Good
Alzheimer's
man.
disease. Make brain health a priority.
Excellent.
Ask your doctor about your risk factors
Super.
and for a cognitive assessment. Learn
Good.
more at brainhealthmatters.com.
Excellent. Good. Okay.
We met in high
Good
school,
man.
and our daughter is 10 years old,
Excellent.
very fresh.
Good.
We had this big
Super.
plan to purchase a new home.
Good
We had our
man.
money
Yes.
set aside in a savings account.
Good.
It wasn't
Good.
doing anything for us.
Okay.
I don't even remember what our interest was, do you?
Like 21%.
Yeah.
That's when we found Wealthfront. With our cash account, with all the interest that we earned, it made us feel like we got a huge piece of this kitchen
Good.
for free. My APY with Wealthfront was a clear
Good.
winner.
Come. Over here. Good. Good. Hey. Hurry. 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 Good man. Good. Hurry. 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 Good.
Their Navy is gone, their Air Force is gone,
Good.
their
Come.
anti-aircraft is gone,
Good.
their radar is gone, their leaders are gone. They're all gone. Iran will not have a nuclear weapon.
So as part of President Trump's parting message as he heads to Beijing to meet President Xi,
Yes.
anytime on Capitol Hill today, Joint Chiefs of Staff Chairman General Dan Kane, Secretary of War Pete Hegseth testifying
Down.
before the House and the Senate today on
Good.
the status of Operation
Good.
Epic Fury. Chief National Security Correspondent Jennifer Griffin reporting
Good.
live from Washington. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Martha. Well,
Good
this
boy.
was supposed to be an opportunity for Secretary Hegseth and General.
Also involving
Cut.
naval capabilities, not to mention our naval blockade. A preferred
Good
long-term
man.
approach would be a deal where they open it up.
Boy.
If this goes on for another 30
Yes.
days, there are going to be
Good.
thousands
Yes.
of farms that will go bankrupt. There
Yes.
are families that are going to be ruined. And so
Yes.
China's not on our side.
Yes.
Today, the non-partisan Congressional Budget
Super.
Office reported
See?
President Trump's Golden
Okay.
Dome for America, a large space-based missile defense program.
Good
that
man.
cost $1.2
Yes.
trillion,
Good man. Over here.
following the initial
Over here.
$175
Over here.
billion
Good.
price tag
Over here.
announced
Good.
last year.
Super.
Jennifer,
Good.
thank you
Sit.
very much. So
Sit.
we are live in the Middle
Okay.
East as Israel
Good.
sends its
Very
Iron
good
Dome
boy.
systems to the UAE to
Yes.
defend against Iran's drone war.
Down.
This terrible story.
Down.
Where an elite student has reportedly been
Okay.
harmed
Good.
by Iran's regime.
Super. Super. Good. Over here. Yes. Hurry it up over here. Good man.
Those are crazy.
Yes. Good man.
She has no idea she's sitting on a gold.
Huh, buddy?
She doesn't know that
Huh?
if she owns a life
Huh,
insurance
buddy?
policy of $100,000
Yeah.
or more, she can sell all
Yeah.
part of it to Coventry for cash.
Good.
Even a term policy.
Excellent.
Even a term policy.
Excellent. Good man. Come.
Find out if you're sitting on a gold mine. Call Coventry Direct today at 800-496-9200 or visit CoventryDirect.com.
Come. Sit.
What if you're sick at home or
Sitting on a gold mine. Call Coventry Direct today at 800-496-9200